What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So if you guys remember, in one of my more recent videos, I installed an AWE track exhaust on my G80 M3, and in that video, I installed the exhaust and I gave you guys a few revs to see what it sounds like. So in today's video, we're basically gonna go for a drive. Also, there's something I wanted to show you guys because, again, in that last video, I mentioned I wanted to paint the exhaust tips. I didn't do it in the last video, but I did do it off camera. Just follow me on Instagram. You'll have already seen it, but if you don't, here it is. The gold exhaust tips. Now, for reference, if you guys didn't watch that previous video, these exhaust tips came in a polished silver, which just doesn't go with the rest of the car. Now, I know what you're thinking, well, the gold doesn't really go with the rest of the car, but just as a quick reminder, I do have some gold accents in the engine bay, and as I keep on hinting, something else on this car is gonna be gold. I don't wanna give a bigger hint than that. If you guys don't get it after that, I mean, you're just not gonna get it at all. So before we go out for a drive, let's get a bit of a cold start. Again, of course, with the AWE track exhaust. When I first bought this car, one of the things I hated the most was the sound. It was just so quiet. But now with this exhaust, guys, this thing sounds so much better. Now, part of the reason why I want to do this video is actually have another piece for the exhaust. It literally came in the mail yesterday. So before we install that other mod, I wanted to make sure I got this video out. For those of you guys who just want the AWE track exhaust, this exhaust setup really isn't too bad from a daily driver perspective. Like, without M mode on, which I know there's no valves, but if you do turn on M mode, it does give you a whole bunch of burbles. But in its normal mode, it's really not that loud. Like, let me open up the window. It's not that loud. Like, it's really not as loud as I was expecting it to be. Now, something to keep in mind is this exhaust does pretty much only get rid of one resonator and your muffler. You still have a second resonator as well as your secondary cats and your primary cats. So you still have a lot restricting this exhaust system. I will say that next mod that I have is gonna get rid of a lot of that, but you guys will see exactly what that is in another video. But this exhaust alone, as it stands, yeah, it doesn't get rid of too much. So honestly, if you guys still want to like daily drive your car, I don't think this exhaust will stop you from doing that. Now, if you're looking for the loudest sound, that kind of goes both ways. It's not going to get you the loudest sound either. I do think you need some type of mid pipe that gets rid of your secondary cats and all that. All right, let's put it in M mode so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Not sure if you guys can even hear over the wind noise, but yeah, it's actually really not that loud. Now, I will say, I actually think it sounds really good. Better than I was expecting. But it's not horribly loud. But overall, I actually like the tone. Let's see if we can get some downshifts. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I actually really do like the tone of this. Now, why am I still getting more exhaust mods? Well, to be honest with you, a lot has to do with just like YouTube and content, and although this sounds really good in person, the camera probably just isn't doing it justice. Like, I wish that you guys can really hear what it sounds like through the camera, but unfortunately, that's just not really the case. So for me, I want the car to be a little louder, a little more dramatic, because I just need it to be for camera. But in terms of just owning and driving this car, I actually think this is good. And the exhaust really isn't that expensive compared to other exhaust systems, so it's, you know, it's not a bad idea. What I'm probably gonna try to do is get into one of these parking garages. So that way we can do some revs in a parking garage so you guys can hear what that sounds like. Alright, so you guys hopefully heard what it sounded like in the garage. I think it just sounds cooler. Any car sounds cooler inside a garage. But yeah, overall guys, I like the exhaust. Installation wasn't too bad. The price honestly isn't bad. Exhaust systems are just expensive in general, but this one, because it's pretty minimal, is pretty cheap. Remember guys, this is the track edition exhaust. It's not the switch path. If you get the switch path, you get a muffler and a valve. However, I think with the valve closed, it's not really too much different from stock, so it's not really worth it, at least for me. But the track exhaust is just cheaper, it's lighter. Yeah, it's like pretty much having the valves open all the time, but I feel like that's what you'd want in the end anyways, if that makes sense. So personally, I would recommend this exhaust if you guys want something like a little more daily driver friendly, but still loud, because it's not crazy loud, but it's not quiet. But anyways guys, while we're here, can we just appreciate how good the G80 looks right now? If you guys have been keeping up with the channel, you'll know that I recently lowered this thing on some AST lowering springs. Again, huge shout out to Keys Motorsports for sending them out to me, my friend Sticks and JD for helping me install them. The car looks so much better with this stance now. I mean, look at this guys. That's just like chef's kiss right there. This looks absolutely amazing. Let me know what you guys think about the gold exhaust tips down in the comments below. I know on Instagram a lot of people weren't crazy about them, but I think it's gonna grow on us. Honestly, I really do. Also, I think once you drive the car a little more and they get a little more dirty, it actually will look better, ironically, because it'll kind of tone it down a little bit, because right now it is pretty bright. And again, it will flow with the rest of the mods. What I keep on hinting out over here, and also the yellow DRLs in the front. Honestly, I'm really excited because we have a whole bunch of mods for this car. The one that I keep on hinting about with the gold, but also we have something really cool for the interior. And like I keep on saying, we also have another exhaust mod, which is just gonna make this car sound that much better, that much louder. So stay tuned guys. If you guys wanna see more videos about this car, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like. And yeah, with that said, this video is pretty much done. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
I don't mind if you don't listen that much. Some of y'all don't listen at all. This ain't